Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of sports makeup with a product that has caught the attention of athletes and enthusiasts alike. We're talking about the Makeley Black Eye Black Stick, often hailed as the best baseball eye black stickers on the market. This eye black stick isn't just for baseball, it's versatile enough for football, lacrosse, and even Halloween face paint. The Makeley Black Eye Black Stick comes in a sleek, travel-friendly format. With its creamy texture and high pigmentation, this eye black stick is designed for ease of application and longevity. Simply glide it under your eyes, and you're ready to reduce glare while looking stylish. Applying the eye black stick is straightforward. You don't need any fancy tools or brushes. Just a simple swipe under each eye, and you can build up the coverage as needed. The formula blends effortlessly into your skin, making it perfect for those intense game days when you need to stay focused. One of the standout features of the Makeley Black Eye Black Stick is its impressive longevity. Designed to withstand sweat and water, this product promises to stay put through the most intense moments of play. Athletes can run, slide, and sweat without worrying about smudging or fading. It's truly a game changer for anyone who takes their sports seriously. But what really sets this eye black stick apart is its versatility. While it shines on the field, it also serves multiple purposes off the field. Whether you're gearing up for Halloween, creating a cosplay look, or just want to add a bit of flair to your makeup routine, this stick has you covered. Use it on your face, eyes, or even on your arms and neck for a complete look. After the game, removal is a breeze. With just a bit of soap and water, the Makeley Black Eye Black Stick washes off easily, leaving your skin clean without any residue. This is especially important for athletes who may need to remove it quickly after a match. Now, let's talk about ingredients. Makeley has crafted this eye black stick with safety in mind. It's non-toxic, hypoallergenic, and free from irritating substances, making it suitable for all skin types, including those of kids and teenagers. You can feel good about using it for yourself or your little ones during their sports season. In summary, the Makeley Black Eye Black Stick is a must-have for any athlete or makeup enthusiast. Its ease of use, long-lasting formula, and multifunctionality make it a standout product. Whether you're hitting the field or dressing up for a Halloween party, this eye black stick is here to elevate your game. So, if you're looking for reliable eye black stickers that deliver on all fronts, look no further than Makeley. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product critiques. Until next time, keep playing hard and looking great.